long spine massage, dropping the foot bar, 2 springs, headpiece flat. Extension straps are on, clips are on the outside so that they don't unhook during the exercise. From a frog position, extend the legs out straight. From the hips, lift up towards the ceiling, open the feet, and then press into the straps to come out in one long line and finally roll down, articulating the spine. Try to stay in a straight line and get as low as possible before articulating down. 3 times, opening the legs at the ceiling and coming down with the legs open, and then open the legs and go up with the legs open, close the legs together, hugging the heels together, and roll down. So open and come up and hug the midline, eyes look straight up at the ceiling to protect the neck, and roll down. Arms are pressing, opening the legs, close the legs, squeeze the heels together, and roll down reluctantly.